1, go.
Hi, my name is Layla, and I'm Lily. I'm Layla's best friend, and I'm going to be in a couple of videos maybe. So these are all the stuff we're going to be unboxing. And if you know, even though it passed Valentine's Day, I'm just telling you, the people that are my favorite video people that do like their videos, I'm going to give these cards to them. These piece cards that say different languages. I only have 3 people that want to do it. So let's get started unboxing. Lily, how about you go first? What do you want to do? This one? Okay. So, if you need any help, just ask me. Okay. Now Lily's going to be unboxing this Discord. You see, this is like an exclusive at Hot Topic, if you could see, with the Princess Celestia right here, right there. That's the Discord. And let's put this stuff right back here. It's okay. Sorry. Now I'm going to be unboxing this Princess Celestia. Just going to put this comic book down. This Princess Celestia is a sparkly version. It's a Hot Topic exclusive, so you can only find this at Hot Topic. This was the last one at the Tempe's Marketplace Hot Topic, so you can find these at another Hot Topic. So let's get opening it. She looks very sparkly and pretty. Sorry about that. Now these are our 2 pop ponies. There's other series down here. There's Trixie and Spitfire. They're so cute. We're going to save the boxes if we want to do another video of it. So please comment below if you want to do Little's Pet Shop and other stuff, or Calico Critters. And Lily will be in the other videos. Maybe. So let's get started. Lily is going to be starting to open this Squishy Pop. We're both going to be opening these, and also this and this. So let's get opening it together. We have to tear this part off, Lily. We got a bracelet. And,
Put it in front of the camera.
okay, we're going to put these away. They're super squishy. They're super squishy. You can find these at Toys R Us. And other places. Just put that on the ground. So this is what the bracelet looks like up closely. So take it. You can take it out if you want. And this is what they could do. I've never had one of these before. How about Lily? You can try it. They could bounce with their suction cups. Keep them on really quick. Like that, and wait for it, wait for it. Come on, Twilight. Oh, she can't do it. It's okay. Now we have these all. If you want, I'll put this in. I'll put this in right down here. You can look up my other videos on Layla. It's hard to find. So the next thing we're going to be opening is this puzzle erasers. This is the last one at Hot Topic. You can find them at other Hot Topics. So Lily and I are going to be both opening it. So let's get started. got Applejack and Rarity. How about you, which one do you want to put together? Applejack? Okay, we can put it on. If you need help, you could use your scissors. Okay. So, these are mini figures. They're kind of like the figurines, but they're a little smaller. Kind of really small. See how they are? They have pointy horns. You can easily put their hair on. And after when you're done with them, if you have two that come with them, because usually at some stores they only come with one. So if you want to get two, you could switch their bodies like this. Wait. It looks like Rarity got a huge puffy tail that's kind of broken. So, see Applejack? Applejack? You could switch their manes. Like the pop ponies. It looks like that they repainted her tail. She looks funny and stylish. Do you need help there? Yeah. Here. Okay, take it. Put it right here. Well, you're right. You can't switch Applejack and Rarity. If you get Applejack and Rarity, you can't switch their bodies, only her tail. So, these are hard to find. You can find them at Hot Topic, of course sorry I said that. You can find them at Toys R Us, but they're hard to find. And these are only available at the USA. So if you're watching me in another place, you can't find these. So here's our puzzles and races. Let's put Applejack's tail on. So Lily, you haven't really talked that much. Can you tell about your favorite pony? Who's your favorite pony?
My favorite pony is Princess Celestia.
Here we have Princess Celestia already in this video. So next we are going to be opening this Queen Chrysalis together. She's spooky. Lily, you could help me. I'm just going to do the scissors part. Okay?
Okay.
Lily hasn't done a video, right? She's only done like videos, like videos not like in YouTube, like in the photo. I'm under Speech Devil, which is my dad's. It's okay. We've got it. So if you want to comment below also, we wonder which one is your favorite character, and please tell us why. Like that. If you're one of my favorite characters that's watching on this channel, it has to be Ben and John, or Cookie Swirl, and also Toy Jamie. It's okay. Lily, would you give me a hand? Okay, this is the new series. They haven't come out with blind bags yet. So these are hard to find, and this is also a Hot Topic exclusive. It's comic book comics in there, like, well, at least doing that. Show you. See, like, they're kind of like Pokemon. And all of their stuff. And... Okay, you need help, girl? Yeah. She's hard to get out.
Use the scissors.
Oh, yeah, I'll get it. So we're just gonna cut this part. We're gonna cut the, so we're probably just gonna be doing this for a while, just like in my other video I didn't review. Wow, this is hard. My birthday's coming up soon, so please watch our videos and other stuff. We're not going to be on this channel a lot. I'm mostly going to be by myself, but a lot of people are going to come on my channel and do some stuff together with me. So this Queen Chrysalis is hard to get out if you're doing a video. So, and also happy Valentine's Day if you're watching my video. Oh, and also before I open it, she says this. It doesn't really.
Your love makes me even more powerful. I can feel my magic getting stronger. Behold the power of the Changeling Queen. Soon I'll rule all the land. Equestria will be under my control.
That's what she mostly says. So we're going to take it. Here's the instructions. Queen Chrysalis, press the button to her power, press static wings and activate wings. Wings move and light up. Press the lead button. No, that's in Spanish, sorry. No.
Do you want some help with the...
No, it's okay. It's okay, I got it. Can I have the scissors? Thank you, Lily. Hold on. You can help me, Lily, unbox it. So you could help me, like try to rip it.
I'm very good at ripping.
Careful, watch her hands with the scissors.
Push up.
So take it out. She's really hard to get out. So I think we're gonna just have to cut in a squiggle line, just like cookie swirl. Sorry, I'm making those faces. It's just hard. Ow. I can't do it. We'll be right back really quick. My dad's gonna be helping me like doing this stuff. While you're doing that, you could take a quick look. These are the Reese's. This is, and I wouldn't like push it too hard to like break the bracelet. If you try to miss, you might miss the bracelet and then break it like twice.
You just need to
Right
cut.
there.
You need to
Yeah.
cut the tape on her hair.
Thank you. So Queen Chrysalis was hard to take out. If you say it's hard to take out, and if you don't say so, it is actually. So trust me, it's gonna be hard to take out.
Careful you don't get any of her hair.
Okay. So we're gonna take her. Take that, and it's hard to take out this little tape thing. So we're gonna just rip it off, probably, or something. So I don't know how to do this. I need help from my dad again. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. She also comes with accessories.
Can you hand me the scissors?
She also comes with accessories. She comes with a comb right here, pink comb, and it looks like we got hair clips right in the box. I can't get it out. Can you get them out? It's okay. Thank you. So you could braid your pony's hair, or instead you could sorry. Okay, we got this. And if you want,
Hey, let's scoot over this way.
the braid is harder to make. You have to, if you don't know how to make a braid, just in case to show you, take 3 pieces. Step 1. Step 2. Step 2. Bring the middle. Put your middle finger right here. Step 3. Turn these and do the same thing as you go. As Queen Chrysalis, she's my favorite villain, even though she's very evil.
And go.
Sorry about that. So her head can turn like this. I don't want to mess up the braid I just made. So you could put the hair clips that I got out while I was, So you could put the hair clips in. It's kind of a little hard, so you could leave it like that. And just leave the little hair flowing down and put it right in her hair like that.
All right.
And this is the new pony I'm going to stitch. I haven't reviewed this, so let's get started to review this.
So which of your things here is your favorite?
So, I mean, like, before we start getting started, Lily's going to be talking about her favorite thing in here. So, talk about this thing. Which one is your favorite?
I like that girl. I forgot her name, but
Queen Chrysalis.
I like Queen Chrysalis because she has blue hair and she makes the sunlight go away and she makes moonlight.
So she is the, I'll tell you if you haven't watched this episode. She is the master of feeding off love. That means she takes away love from other people.
That's evil.
Yeah. It's pretty evil. And that's very mean. Because what if, on Hearts and Hooves Day, the very special Sun Pony one, That would be very evil.
All right. Well, let's get to wrapping this up.
So, here's all the stuff we got today. Here's accessories and stuff. Queen plus Chrysalis. Hope you'll be watching again. We are having another video. Before we are ending this video, we have these boxes. Ben and John, please get these on March 10th, which is in 2015. Please send me a message, which is what your address is, and I'll mail this to you. Okay, our second one is Cookie Swirl. Cookie Swirl, please get this in your mail too, just in case. Please put your phone number on Facebook, please. Thank you. Let's see. Mommy and Gracie. Mommy and Gracie, please get this on, the rest of these are on March 10th. So please get this on March 10th if you're on the number of 18 for all of this. Okay. I will be seeing you later. Bye.
Bye.